Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to coding mastery. Today is an extra special day because we're delving into the mystical world of productivity tools for developers. In this action-packed YouTube video, we're diving deep into the mystical realm of productivity tools for developers. From code wizards to time-saving sorcery, we've rounded up the ultimate arsenal to skyrocket your coding game. So, put on your dev capes, sharpen those keyboards, and join us on this epic quest to developers' paradise. Task. It is the ultimate project management software that is here to save developers from the chaos of project management. With its sleek design and powerful features, Task is the secret weapon for efficient project management. Say goodbye to the days of disorganization and hello to streamlined productivity with Task. It's got everything developers need to plan, track, and collaborate on their projects. Talk about a one-stop shop. Task has got you covered with a whole bunch of tools. Task is the bee's knees for developers. It effortlessly integrates into their workflow. With their amazing platform, developers can effortlessly create tasks, assign them to their talented team members, and effortlessly track their progress, all in one convenient place. If you're smart enough to choose Task, it's a must-have for developers looking to level up their projects. Task knows how to keep things interesting when it comes to pricing. They offer both free and paid plans, so you can choose the option that tickles your fancy. GitLab. GitLab, the ultimate deployment solution, reigns supreme in countless contexts. No other platform can even come close to its next-generation greatness. The magic of combining the planning, packaging, and release essentials with the delightful DevOps features like monitoring and configuration. GitLab is like a cloud wizard, with all its fancy Kubernetes integrations and a container registry to boot. This platform is like a chameleon when it comes to adapting to your CI/CD preferences. And the managers can totally rule the roost here, but it's also cool that they can have full control over a single permission model. Double the power, double the fun. They're so versatile, they could work for any team out there. But you know what? GitLab takes it up a notch. It's like the superhero of remote teams, optimized to make their lives a breeze. The plan is currently on the house, but if you're feeling fancy, there are some snazzy paid plans starting at just $19/month. CodeStream. CodeStream is like a superhero sidekick for developers, making information transfer a breeze and keeping those precious moments of undisturbed attention intact. It's the secret weapon for boosting developer productivity. Say goodbye to the annoyance and hassle of code reviews with the CodeStream. It's got your back for all your code-related talks. It's like having a smooth conversation with your team, free of the hassle of pull requests. When you're trying to fix something, just highlight that code block and drop in a sassy little remark. Easy peasy. CodeStream is like having a personal code concierge, making it a breeze to tackle those pesky group problems. Developers can chat about code right where it lives, making the codebase even more top-notch. Pricing, you're in luck. The basic plan won't cost you a dime. But if you're feeling fancy, the business plan will set you back around $10 per user per month. And for those who mean serious business, the enterprise plan comes in at a cool $45 per user per month. Test Sigma. Test Sigma is just perfect for all those developers and QA teams out there who want to create impressive testing stacks without breaking a sweat or writing a single line of code. How cool is that? Why settle for just one way to tackle tests when you can mix it up with a dash of written commands or a sprinkle of recorded actions? Get creative and keep those tests on their toes. Do you want to run those tests online or in the cloud? Well, Test Sigma has got you covered. It can handle over 2,000 browsers and 800 devices. Plus, it offers detailed real-time reports and some pretty nifty debugging features too. So, you'll be testing like a pro in no time. This app is like having your own personal AI mechanic to take care of all your maintenance tasks. Pricing, they've got you covered. Our open source option is perfect for local testing, and the rest is on us in the cloud. But wait, there's more. We also offer a range of paid plans starting at just $349/month. Lambda Test. Lambda Test is the ultimate testing platform that's got your back with support for over 3,000 browsers and multiple operating systems. It's the real deal, folks. You'll love using it on the web and other mobile apps. Plus, this platform boasts being super speedy compared to local testing. So, get ready for some serious efficiency. The Lambda Test is just fabulous for automating all those Selenium tests. The platform can handle all your fancy preferences like Cypress, JavaScript, and Appium. Oh, and let's not forget about the fabulous debugging tools and the thrilling ability to test geolocation. It's all about making your tech experience extra snazzy. Pricing: they've got a free plan that's worth every penny, and if you're feeling fancy, they've got options starting at just $15 per month. Crisp. Video calls are like the secret sauce for far-flung teams to stay connected. So crucial, it's like the missing puzzle piece for seamless communication. Crisp was created to tackle this problem like a boss. This app uses some fancy artificial intelligence to make sure you can hear what you're trying to hear and get rid of all that annoying background noise. Not only does it help banish those pesky echoes that pop up every now and then, but it also adds a touch of charm. Well, this bad boy can handle a whopping 800 communication applications and works like a charm on both Windows and Mac. Talk about versatility. Get ready to experience the sweet sound of silence during your conference calls. Their ultimate noise-free conferencing package is available at the unbeatable price of just $5 per month. Say goodbye to those pesky background noises and hello to crystal clear conversations. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. SourceGraph. SourceGraph is a tool that helps writers study and understand code in big files. It does this by letting them look for and move through code. It is a powerful tool that lets you see code from different languages, files, and tools in one place. With SourceGraph, coders can look for code, look at reviews of code, move around in code, and look at how well the code works. SourceGraph can be helpful in a number of ways for managing projects. It can help writers find and understand code linked to specific jobs or problems. This makes it easier to figure out what's wrong and how to fix it. It can help writers work together better by letting them explore the code together. Lastly, SourceGraph can help teams find places to improve by looking at how well the code works and finding possible problems. Overall, SourceGraph is an important tool for coders who collaborate on big, complicated projects. It helps writers find their way around and understand code better, which may reduce time and cut down on mistakes. By combining SourceGraph alongside additional tools for managing projects, coders can improve the quality of their work and speed up their process. SourceGraph has a commercial plan that costs $99 per month per registered user. Well, my coding superheroes, we've reached the end of our quest to developers' paradise. But don't fret, for the magic doesn't end here. Go forth, embrace these productivity tools, and let your coding adventures soar to new heights. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the magic with your fellow developers. Until next time, keep coding like the legends you are.